Hello guys, welcome to Technotech YouTube channel. In this video, we'll guide you through printing the network configuration page on the Ricoh SP230FNW printer. Discover how to quickly access detailed network settings and connectivity information. Perfect for troubleshooting or managing your printer's network setup. Thanks for watching. If you learn anything in this video, please give a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just pin a comment.